Look at you thinking you could live without him. Now look at you living. Look at you doing way better and all out of your feelings. Your way just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, for that little.
Hold up. Beat it up, 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 beat it up.
So let's get this wig on and poppin'. So I'm starting off, of course, with my natural hair. My hair was looking a little crazy today, girl, but we gonna get her all situated, all right? So the wig that I'm gonna be wearing today is from WoWebony. They sent me this wig, you guys, and I'll leave all of the hair information down in the description box. This wig, you guys, she was thick and she was full. Okay, once I took her out of the box, I was just like, wow, you guys, this is a lot of hair, and it does have this really pretty like natural curl to it. So this hair is so easy to style. I love the wig construction of this wig. It came with an elastic band, which if you guys want to go for like a glueless method, you can definitely do that. I kind of wanted to do like a glueless method, but I knew because I was doing the half up, half down style that I was gonna have to glue on the sides. But if you guys were gonna wear it like all down, you guys could just get away with the adjustable strap. So as you guys can see, this is a 360 wig, which means that you can pick it up in the back. There is lace in the back, so if you want to put it up in a high ponytail or anything like that, you can definitely do that. So I just cut the lace in the back, and now I'm gonna cut the lace in the front. And now what I'm gonna go ahead and do, because these knots are already like pre-bleached, but the lace is still a little too dark for me, so I'm just gonna quickly fix that with my damn powder. This is a foundation powder, and I'm cringing right now because this is my favorite powder. Usually I would use something cheaper, okay, because goddamn, but I didn't have anything else on hand, so I had to use my Sephora powder. And this is just gonna tint the lace so that way it blends perfectly with your skin. So this is what it should look like when you're done. Now I am going to just work on my natural hair and get it nice and flat underneath this wig. Usually I'll do my two messy twists, but since my hair was already kind of straight today, all I did was just mush it under this damn wig cap because I was being a real lazy girl, okay? So once you put the wig on your head, I'm not going to lie, once I put this wig on, it was looking a lot of crazy, okay? But you guys can see from using the foundation powder, that's looking like scalp, okay? So never want to skip that step, especially if the lace is too dark. The lace was dangling over my ears, so I am just gonna customize this wig to fit my head perfectly. So I am just gonna take off the excess lace that's like way too big for me and going over my ears, so that way it can not, you know, irritate me or nothing like that. So when you get your wig, these are how the bangs come. They're super long. We're definitely gonna have to cut them. So yeah, since I am doing the half up, half down, I am now just gonna quickly do a quick install with my Got To Be Free spray, but I just went ahead and skipped over that because you guys see me do that a million times. So for the half up, half down, all I am doing now is just taking a smoothing brush and more of my free spray, and I'm just trying to get this as flat as possible. And then I am now just gonna take a scrunchie and just pick it up like the Ariana style kind of. And yeah, it wasn't really that hard. What was hard was cutting these damn bangs. Okay, so I don't know what happened to the footage of the first cuts, but basically I'm just trying to get these bangs. I don't like a straight type of bang. I like more of like a baby doll bang where like the ends are longer than the middle, if that makes sense. So all I kind of do is like do like this 360 twist. You guys can see me do it really quickly right here, and then I just cut straight across, and then it gives you like that fringe effect. So I prefer to cut the bangs better like that than just straight across, but of course bangs are all personal preference. You cut them how you want to. One thing that I can say about this wig is that as far as the bangs, I felt like the bangs was just way too thick. I felt like they put way too much hair for the bangs. I wish they were a lot thinner. Like if I was gonna customize and make my own bangs, I would have left it like this, where you could like see your eyebrows kind of like through the bangs. I don't like thick bangs. But of course, because that hair is short, there was like really nothing that I could do with it. So I kind of had to do the full bangs. And I just felt like for my like petite face, it was just really full. But it ended up not looking too bad. So yeah, I still recommend this wig. Like I said, the hair was really nice quality, and it also took heat really good. Like the curls came out quick. I was just getting frustrated with this wig because I haven't had bangs, girl, and God knows how long. I'm talking about like 2014, okay? Bangs was so popping in junior high school. Like, Comment down below if you had bangs in high school or junior high school, because I was definitely that girl, okay? I was definitely that girl with the fucking black bangs every day. Yeah, that's why my hair was so fried. Fucking flat ironing bangs every morning to go to school. But anyway, that is besides the point. Yeah, when it came up to curling the rest of this hair, you guys, like I said, this wig is super full. It had a lot of hair on her, but it did take a curl quick and easy. So I wasn't even mad about that. So after I done fought with the bangs for like a good 30 minutes, you guys, now I am gonna style this hair. I wanted to show you guys like how long and like the length. I did already like do the curls on one side with my flat iron, because this hair, the curls were just kind of all over the place. So I just went over it with my straightener. If you guys see my mouth moving, don't worry about that, girl. I was just talking my shit with my friend. So yeah, okay, as I was curling this hair, you know, we were here for a minute, so this is me kikiing. But yeah, I just basically did curls with my flat iron, my favorite way to do my drop curls. But yeah, y'all already seen me do this. This ain't nothing new. So, moment of truth, you guys. This was probably one of the hardest wigs that I've done in a minute, you guys. This wig was definitely a challenge, only because I haven't done the half up, half down on a lace front in a minute. Neither did I do bangs in a hot minute. So this was definitely a challenge for me, but she pulled through, okay? Like, she really pulled through. She came together really cute. So yeah, you could wear this hair down. You can wear it in the half up, half down, or you can even do a little top knot bun like this. I was actually considering doing the top knot, but then I was like, I don't know. So I ended up just taking it down. So yeah, I liked the ponytail better, but comment down below which one you liked. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this wig with bangs, you guys. I'm giving you Selena vibes, okay? But yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time, bye.